Hello everyone. It's a cold winter's day here in Broadstairs in January. Gosh, I don't enjoy it at all. I'm looking forward to the spring. Anyway, here's my latest mosaic. It's the second in the complementary series, and this time we've got yellow and purple. If we look at the wheel, yellow is the primary and purple is the secondary of red and blue. And I think it's the hardest combination to pull off. But if you think about it, what I've done is the purple isn't this rich burgundy. It's a soft neo-lavender, in fact. And the yellow isn't a marigold, sunflower, bright yellow. It's this citrus, lemon yellow, or canary yellow, in fact. And the marini I've made, I think there's lots of detail going on there. And I'm really pleased with this piece. I think it's one of my best. Beautifully framed by William Ward of Canterbury, always surprising, always wonderful. And as usual, I've written this accompanying verse. Purple owl. I'm not going to bellow that my favourite colour's yellow. You see, it's rudimentary. My purple's complementary.